So we're here with Stinkpot this morning. She's really excited. She's ready for feeding. So I'm gonna go on ahead and feed her some of the Repto-Min floating food sticks. She loves these. They're more like a kind of like an algae wafer, but it's a stick form. And I just drop it in there. And there she is. And she uses her little claws to rip her food up. It's so cute. And these are easy for her to get. So this is what I normally feed her, but I switch her diet up a lot. I give her variety. Say hello, Stinkpot. Stinky. The little baby musk turtle. Nope. So cute. And yes, right now she is in a smaller enclosure to grow out some. She's got her lighting, and the filter's in the middle of the tank. So, and then she's got a little algae eater friend, but she's getting camera shy, I guess, going up in a rock. I can't get her back there. Sorry, guys. You can see her little butt sticking out. Oh, she's coming back. There's another piece of food. Okay, she's on the other side, so let's see if I can get her. I know. I'm sorry about my camera. Oh, there's her friend. He cleans her shell for her. Keeps her nice and sparkly. Say bye-bye, Stinky.